everyone, I'm Mrudula, going to speak about global citizenship. For the purpose of my talk, I'll be defining global citizenship as the idea that one's identity transcends geography or political borders. The world is large and expansive. We have 5 oceans, 7 continents, 195 countries, and 6,000 different languages being spoken by 7.5 billion people. Humans are everywhere, and most of us are very different, but no significant difference or only 0.1 genetical difference among humans. International educational programs like the International Baccalaureate, the UN Sustainable Development Goals help to raise new and better global citizens. These education programs enable us to care about different countries, different cultures, different communities. It teaches us international mindedness and empathy, how to put ourselves in others' shoes. Not only through education, look at the social media. Anyone who has access to the internet is a global citizen. You can interact with different people, and internet provides a platform that connects people from all over the world within a fraction of seconds. Internet helps to create communities that ignore borders on a map and breaks divisions of people. Global issues are climate change, human rights violation, gender inequalities, border issues, and so on. We live in a time that favors the global citizen, in an age where every single voice can be heard. Today we have more tools, more access to information, more capacity to influence than ever before. Global citizenship, the world to many opportunities, less war, less hate, more empathy, and more understanding between people. I didn't know what a global citizen was before preparing for the speech. But now I am a proud global citizen, and I think it's about time that you all admit that you are a global citizen. Being a global citizen, we can make us truly united as one civilization. Civilizations have risen and fallen. But by admitting ourselves to being a global citizen, we can make a civilization that will never die. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning to one and all. Today I am here with you all to discuss what is global citizenship. A global citizenship is someone who is aware of and understands the wider world and their place in it. They take an active role in their community and work with others to make our planet more peaceful, sustainable, and fairer. Global citizenship is all about encouraging young people to develop the knowledge, skills, and values they needed to engage with the world. And it's about the belief that we can all make a difference. Education for global citizenship is not an additional subject. It's a framework for learning, reaching beyond the school to the wider community. It can be promoted in the class through the existing curriculum or through new initiatives and activities. The benefits are felt across the school and beyond. Global citizenship helps young people to build their own understanding of the world events, think about their values and what's important to them, take learning into the real world, challenging ignorance and intolerance, get involved in their local, national, and global communities. So, global citizenship inspires and informs teachers and parents too. But above all, it shows young people that they have a voice. The world may be changing fast, but they can make a positive difference and help build a fairer, safer, and more secure world for everyone.